Life story of Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt, widely regarded as one of the greatest sprinters in the history of athletics, has a motivational life story that is both inspiring and remarkable. Born on August 21, 1986, in Sherwood-Content, Jamaica, Bolt faced numerous challenges on his journey to becoming a sporting legend. As a child, Bolt showed great promise in athletics, but it wasn't until the age of 12 that he truly focused on sprinting. Initially, he excelled in cricket and was known for his remarkable speed on the field. Recognizing his natural talent, his cricket coach urged him to pursue track and field. Bolt heeded the advice and began training with his local track club, the William Knibb Memorial High School. Despite his potential, Bolt struggled with discipline and dedication during his early years. He often neglected training and was more interested in enjoying life and having fun. However, in 2001, everything changed when Bolt met his new coach, Glenn Mills. Under Mills' guidance, Bolt began to channel his energy and focus on developing his sprinting abilities. Bolt's breakthrough came in 2002 at the Junior World Championships, where he won gold in the 200 meters. This victory sparked his ambition and ignited a desire to reach new heights in the sport. Over the next few years, Bolt worked tirelessly to improve his technique, endurance, and mental strength. In 2008, at the Beijing Olympics, Bolt captivated the world with his extraordinary speed and charismatic personality. He shattered records in both the 100 meters and 200 meters, becoming the first man to set world records in both events at the same Olympics. Bolt's achievements earned him the title of the fastest man alive and propelled him to international stardom. Throughout his career, Bolt faced setbacks and challenges. Injuries tested his resilience, but he remained determined and focused on his goals. He continued to push boundaries, setting new records and dominating sprinting competitions for years to come. Bolt's motivation extended beyond personal success. He became a symbol of hope and inspiration for aspiring athletes worldwide, especially in Jamaica. He used his platform to advocate for youth development, sports programs, and education. Bolt believed that hard work, perseverance, and a positive mindset were the keys to achieving greatness. Retiring from athletics in 2017, Bolt left an indelible mark on the sport. His achievements include 11 World Championships gold medals and 8 Olympic gold medals. Beyond the numbers, Bolt's story resonates because of his infectious charisma, unwavering self-belief, and ability to overcome challenges. Usain Bolt's motivational full life story serves as a testament to the power of determination, focus, and the pursuit of excellence. From a talented but undisciplined youngster to a global icon and role model, Bolt's journey inspires individuals to chase their dreams relentlessly, work hard, and never settle for anything less than their best. Thanks for watching.